I'm Adam Matthews, and I'm here for XForce Performance Exhaust. The latest generation of Mustang adds a new level of performance capability. Sitting at the top of the Mustang pyramid is this beautiful GT. Powered by a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8, this Mustang meets the top of the wish list of any pony enthusiast. The 3-inch catback system is perfect for the enthusiast who is looking for a boost in power and sound without the effort of replacing the whole factory system. The engine-back stainless steel exhaust system says goodbye to all of the Mustang's original exhaust components and introduces new stainless steel headers, 3-inch metallic cats, and XForce's patented Varex mufflers. The patented Varex system gives the driver control over the noise with the push of a button. The 5 settings mean you can quietly cruise through town without being noticed and then open up the pipes to make some noise on the freeway or the racetrack. And today's the day we get to test out the 2015 5.0 GT Mustang here on the track. And I'll tell you, I received the opportunity earlier last year to test out the same vehicle with the catback exhaust. And I tell you what, now with the extension of the header system, this baby roars. Now let's see if we can get it on the straightaway here and actually feel that horsepower. Going out for the first drive in the Mustang GT after fitting up one of the systems will put a seriously big smile on your face. The improvement in sound is amazing. And the greatest part is the noise level is totally adjustable thanks to the Varex mufflers. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit XForceusa.com for more information on our premium bolt-on exhaust systems.